to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear students, in the series of word formation, actually this is the third video part 3. Let's know how to make words and different words in different parts of the speech from different words. Now I'm taking noun which is made from verb, adding tion. There is word connect, from connect, connection. There is word move, from move, motion. Oppose, opposition. Correct, correction. Protect, protection. Attract, attraction. Qualify, qualification. Satisfy, satisfaction. Actually these words have been made adding tion, and these are nouns from verb. And again I'm taking by adding sion, decide, decision. Permit, permission. Admit, admission. Confuse, confusion. Now I'm taking which are made by adding ment, meant. Amuse, amusement. Judge, judgment. Move, movement. Arrange, arrangement. Now I'm taking the word which is made by adding th. Heal, health. Warm, warmth. Steal, stealth. And now I'm taking the word which is made by adding al. Try, trial. Deny, denial. Refuse, refusal. Remove, removal. And there are some words, certain words, where is no rule for making new words, as lose, loss. SELL, sale, SALE, sale. Succeed, success. Carry, carriage. Believe, belief. Feed, food. Like this, actually in these words there is no set rule, and these words are freehand. Again I'm taking which are freehand words. Laugh, laughter. Choose, choice. Flow, flood. Do, deed. Please, pleasure. Live, life. Tell, tale. Speak, speech. Remove, removal. Prove, proof. Advice, ADVISE, advice, advice. Now I'm taking words which will be adjective and will be made from noun by adding OUS. Again the words will be adjective, will be made from noun by adding OUS. Danger, dangerous. Virtue, virtuous. Glory, glorious. Courage, courageous. Study, studious. Fame, famous. And next by adding ABLE, able. Advice, advisable. Comfort, comfortable. Profit, profitable. Value, valuable. And next the words which are used as adjective are made from noun adding ful, full, fear, fearful, duty, dutiful, harm, harmful, hope, hopeful, joy, joyful, truth, truthful. And next words which are made by adding y, air, airy, fish, fishy, ease, easy, greed, greedy, oil, oily, hill, hilly. And next adding ly, weak, weekly, body, bodily, king, kingly, God, godly, love, lovely, man, manly, month, monthly, coward, cowardly. And the words made by adding less, less, care, careless, use, useless, mercy, merciless, harm, harmless, and sleep, sleepless, thought, thoughtless, hope, hopeless, faith, faithless. And words by adding en, earth, earthen, silk, silken, wool, woolen, gold, golden. And by adding tic, drama, drama, dramatic, sympathy, sympathetic. By adding ical, class, classical, machine, mechanical, practice, practical, enemy, inimical. The words which are made by adding ish, book, bookish, fool, foolish, child, childish, boy, boys. And here I am taking the words which are made by adding suffix, as India, Indian, life, lifelike, trouble, troublesome, talk, talkative. And now I am taking the words, verbs which are made from noun, verbs which are made from noun by adding fy or ify, beauty, beautify, glory, glorify, class, classify, justice, justify. And the word which is made by adding le, hand, handle. And the word which is made by adding ise, apology, apologize. The word which is made by adding ize, sympathy, sympathize, nation, nationalize. And there are some words which are made in different way. For example, bath, bath, bath into bathe, and sale, sale, sale into sell, sale, belief into believe, food, feed. And now I am taking the word which will be verb and is made from adjective, able, enable, sure, ensure, noble, ennoble, large, enlarge. And now by adding em, it will be, em will be here prefix, bold, embold, bitter, ambitter. And I'm taking now words which are made by adding ify. Clear, clarify. False, falsify. Pure, purify. And the words which are made by adding en. Cheap, cheapen. Wide, whiten. Deep, deepen. Broad, broaden. Short, shorten. Red, redden. And the words which are made in different way. For example, full, fill. Full, F-U-L-L and F-I-L-L, fill. Clean, cleans. Low, lower. Dear students, as I have taken the words of different parts of speech are made from other different parts of speech by adding suffix and by adding prefix. Dear students, I think you have understood how to make words from different words by adding suffix or prefix. In making this video, Mr. Naveen Vasist, who is PGT in Commerce, has helped a lot. I say thanks to him and thank you very much to you all. Thanks.